Hello, and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you how to send your 3D prints to the Salem Public Library for printing. They do offer this service to you at a minimal charge. And I want to thank Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring these resources to you. So, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is the process of making a three-dimensional object from a digital file. It's done by building up layer of plastic upon one another to help make a solid object. Using plastic is often cheaper to use to make a prototype or a design or something like that than using other materials. But there are other materials that are available to use, such as metal and ceramics. But the library, mostly you can just send and use the plastic. So how does 3D printing work? Here is a picture of different types of PLA, it's called, and which is the plastic that is layered to make a design. You can see there's all different colors, and I know the library has all different colors to be able to print with. What you will do is you will create the 3D design in a program, and then you will take that design and that will need to be sent to the library, and then the color that you want to use, and it will be printed. The printer that we have does have a dual extruder. That means two different colors, and often when you get your design back, it will have extra plastic on it, but that is support material that can be easily chipped off. It just helps it depending on the type of design that you want to print. So here are two different free websites that are online that you can use to create 3D designs. The first one is called Tinkercad. It's from Autodesk. It is their online free version. You do have to log in to create an account on there. You can use a Google login if you have it. And there is a tutorial that walks you through different practice versions of projects to help you learn how to do it. So if you've never done it before, Tinkercad would be great to be able to walk yourself through each step so you can learn it and make your own designs then. And then another one is called Onshape. It is a software as a service product also, and it uses CAD programming. It does have some real-time collaboration tools and some extra things like that. It's a little bit more in-depth than Tinkercad, so if you have a little bit of experience in it, Onshape is a great one to use to take it a step further once you've learned how to create and design 3D items. Ultimaker S5 this is a picture of what our printer looks like, and it has a large build volume, and it is compatible with other types of filament, but we don't have them available there. But I just wanted you to see what it looks like with the dual extruder and how it will 3D print. And here is a link to a website for more information about the printer if you're interested in that. But as far as the services go for the 3D printing, what you need to do is go to the library website at salemlibrary.oh.us. Once you are at the library website, you're going to go to the Services tab up here at the top. If you just hover with your mouse, it'll give you this nice little drop-down menu box, and you're going to choose the 3D printing. When you choose 3D printing, it will take you to the 3D printing services page, and it has a nice information here about what you need to do and the costs. So what you're going to do is fill out this online form with your name and your email, the item description, meaning describing what your item should look like in the file format that you're sending. Important thing is up here, you need to make sure it is a STL file, and that is a 3D printable file type, and those other two websites I showed you will have this format on it, STL file format. And what you're going to do is you're going to email that file to 3d@salem.lib.oh.us. Most models cost about $5 or less, depending on how large they are. It's about 10 cents per gram of plastic used, and the total cost. So once you fill this out with the item, your email description, you can choose the PLA color. If you hit the drop down, it shows you all the different colors that we have here. Pink, red, orange, yellow, blue, lilac, green, turquoise, clear, transparent, silver, black, glow in the dark, or flexible white. There are also ABS colors, and that's just another type of plastic for printing. You need to put in what the finished height should be, and the finished width, and the finished length. So once you fill all this out, all you're going to do is click submit, and it will send this form in. And once you send this form in, they'll tell you how much it should cost to do this. And remember to email the STL file to 3D salem.lib.oh.us. So it's pretty simple. Once you send it to them, they'll check it out. They'll take a look at it and say, is it supposed to be this item? Should it look like this? And then you'll have some dialogue back and forth about the actual 3D print, and then they will get it printed and let you know when it's available for pickup at the desk. So I hope if you're interested in working with something 3D that you check this out. It's a nice way to begin and try it out to see how it works. Make some really cool designs here.